Calculations involving Charles' law. A sample of carbon dioxide in a palm has a volume of 21.5 ml and it is at 50 degrees centigrade. When the amount of gas and the pressure remains constant, find the new volume of carbon dioxide in the palm if the temperature is increased to 70 degrees centigrade. Alright, so first of all, you get your parameters out. According to the equation, V1 is 21.5 milliliters, T1 is 50 degrees centigrade, V2 is unknown, and T2 is 70 degrees centigrade. Okay, so you convert the temperature degrees Celsius to Kelvin. How do you convert that? Remember that 0 degrees Celsius equals to 273 Kelvin. So 50 degrees Celsius will be 50 degrees Celsius plus 273. That would be 323 Kelvin. So T1 is now 323. For T2, 70 degrees Celsius plus 273 equal to 343 Kelvin. So T2 equal to 343 Kelvin. Our formula for Charles' law is V1 over T1 equals to V2 over T2, like we've already discussed. So you substitute for the value of V1, T1, and T2 in the equation. So V1 over T1 equals to V2 over T2. That will be 21.5 divided by 323 equal to V2 divided by 343. We're going to cross multiply. There we have V2 times 323 equal to 343 times 21.5. Next step is to divide both sides by the coefficient of the unknown, which is V2. The coefficient there is 323, so the left hand side will be equal to the V2 and the right hand side will be 343 times 21.5 divided by 323. Punching your calculator, the answer will be 22.8. So V2 is now 22.8. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit the subscription button now.